Okay, I can't remember. I guess I overlooked making a video on how to put in the lay shaft. Well, there's the lay shaft and the transmission. There's the cluster gears, the reverse and fifth gear. All the clusters in there. Got the bell housing on like I'll show you how I did it in another video. Now what's important, lay shaft's quite easy to put in once you got the main gear cluster in. On the main shaft, the gear goes in, you just have to remove this gear, this reverse and fifth gear, whatever, and remember that at the front when you place it into the case, of course this has to be off, then the shaft slides in, and then you have to attach the lay shaft here at the front with, I believe, a 19 millimeter bolt, which is torqued about 69 foot-pounds, and then once you'll have to watch my other video how to do this whole cluster, the whole sequence up in here, because it's a bit of a pain, but it's doable. And then of course that nut is torqued as a 27 millimeter nut. I think it's torqued 87 foot-pounds. But what's important to understand here is that when you put the lay shaft feed, there's play. It's up and down lateral play, but that play is taken up. But when you put on the bell housing, it snugs up and against it, and it gets rid of the play. And same once you snug this 27 millimeter nut up, it takes out all the play. So that's it. It's very simple to do. I don't even have to really show you. It's just intuitive when you take the transmission apart. Anyway, okay, I'm moving along. I'm getting close to finishing. I can't wait. I mean, this has been honestly a long project because I've been taking my time. But anyway, so I'd like to get this back in the car and get the car on the road.